Yay, lovely. Today's topic is how to edit and isolate your stamp. So, technique number 1. This is probably the easiest. You won't need any additional tools. Since you're already stamping, you'll already have your scraper card. Let's do the second one. If there's something small about designs that you don't like, you can go ahead and make those changes. If you run into a situation where you can't just pick it up, add the tiniest amount, and then once it kind of gets dry and tacky again, you can go ahead and take things off. So this is another technique. So you can see this technique has a lot of really cool application. Then let me show you the very last one. And for this technique, I like to fold the sticky stamper sheet to make it really easy for me to isolate. There you go. So you could fill these empty spots with whatever you want now. You can adjust the design and edit it to make it something that you like. And that's the cool thing about editing and isolating your stamp.